Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Christmas Squidward. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner, you will absolutely be able to draw this. Really short video, only about 8 minutes. So yeah, stick all the way to the very end because it's such a short video. And there you go. Let's get started, okay? Before I do that, don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. This channel is entirely about seasons. It is about Halloween most of the year, and it is about Christmas as well. And through the year, we're gonna do some more horror elements and stuff like that. But anywho, a lot of cool stuff. Hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. So let's get started on Squidward. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here and draw one of Squidward's eyes. So I'm gonna go down. Over here on this side, down. Curve, straight line across, curve around right there. It's going to be for the eyelid. Going over here, draw the front of his other eye, curve, back. Right on. I'm going to pull those eyes up a tiny bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a straight line across because he's going to be getting a very annoyed look. Going over here, curve down like a U shape. So that's going to be underneath. It's going to be the lower part of the eye. Pulling a line out over here. Out. Down. Curve. Up. So you have this big old nose, right? Like, looks like a big old teardrop. Or like Gonzo's nose from like Muppets. That's kind of what it reminds me of. Gonna go down here, pull down, curve in. Gonna go to the eyes. Curve line here. Fill that in. Curve line over here as well. It's like a small semicircle. Let's go over here and draw the lower portion of his mouth. So I'm going to go over here, the left side of his head over here, and draw a line down. Not too far down, though. Just a bit below his eye. All right. Going to go over here, and I'm going to draw a curve and straight line. It's going to be for the bottom of his mouth. Take a swig of water. Hold on. Sorry, a little dry from all right, gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a straight line right here. Well, it's gonna be the corner of his mouth. It's gonna pull across over here on this side, curve for the far side of that skin part of the mouth, you know. All right, drawing another line at the top of this. Bam, bam. So he's got like a couple of different lines. It's gonna wrinkles on his forehead. Going over here, pulling down. Over here, pulling down. Curve down, up. Over here, out, down. Curve. What we're doing here is we're drawing his collar, like the fold of his collar, right, from the shirt he's wearing. Kind of reminds me of like an envelope or something. Pull down. Brum, brum. Over here, pull the line back. My voice sounds kind of like Squidward. Hey, nah, not really. Over here, out. I don't think my voice sounds like Squidward, actually. I don't know. There should be like a pull on the website. Pulling down, in, across the sleeve, pull up. Line down here for the shirt. You have the other sleeve over here. It's funny when you get into the intricacies of just like his outfit right here. Pull a line down, his arm sticking out. That's good enough. Let's get into his head. Gonna start over here, kind of from the eye, the maybe lower eye, I don't know. Curve up. Go over here. Curve up. He has his brain, this big old brain, big old dome. And now we're gonna do over here, cut all this off with that Christmas hat. The Christmas hat is gonna be like a curved line, but the curved line is gonna have a texture to it. So what we're gonna do is gonna boom, 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 boom. See that those kind of bumps, and see how, in general, the primary shape of that is a curve, but it has a texture that's going on. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way, if you enjoyed drawing Squidward. If you're liking this so far, hit that like. Really helps out the channel and the algorithm. I gotta remind people about that. I keep forgetting. Thank you for humoring me there. Curve, curve, curve over here. It's gonna be one side of that brim of that hat. Go over here on this side. 1, 2, 3. Over here. Boom, 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 boom. And so it's essentially like a rectangle, right? The brim of any like Christmas hat. And for a brief second, it looks like he's got hair, which is funny for many reasons, but he doesn't have hair. This is, sorry about that, Christmas hat. I don't know why I yawned. It's like not even late. Okay, now I'm gonna go over here, draw the top of that Christmas hat. I'm gonna start from this side. Oopsie daisy, I'm running into like an action figure sitting here. All right, curve down. Gonna go over here on this side, pull up, out, down. Gonna draw the ball at the end of that, this popcorn ball, right? That popcorn ball at the end. And we're pretty much at the end of the video. That is it. That is Christmas Squidward. I hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, if you liked it, hit that like. Also, if you enjoyed that, hit the subscribe. Wow. Hit the share button. Like, share it with a friend that you think might enjoy it. This channel is all about seasons, right? So it's going to be Christmas for the next month here. Absolutely share the video. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I appreciate every one of you guys. You guys are so freaking nice. Everybody's so nice on this channel. I cannot get over it. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, and I'll talk to you very, very soon, okay? See you later. And, well, one message at the very end. Stay positive, because when you're positive, you're going to give off a lot of positive vibes, and I want you to do that from now on, okay? Thank you, and I will see you in the next video session. If you have any requests for videos, hit me up with requests, guys. Hit me up. Thank you so much. I will talk to you next time. See you later.